In a world unseen, tiny architects work tirelessly beneath the surface. We must rebuild, one whispers, as they transform fallen leaves into rich soil. Another replies, our work nourishes the giants above. Together, they recycle nature's gifts, ensuring life flourishes. Every piece matters, they chant, turning decay into growth. Their silent symphony of renewal inspires all who learn of their hidden dance. We are the unseen caretakers, they declare, reminding us that even the smallest actions can lead to monumental change. Embrace the cycle, for in giving back, we all thrive.